Good day, Sir, Ma'am. My name is Yvonne Sumahit. I am 35 years old. I am from the Philippines. I am happily married. I have two sons and one daughter. My sons ages 17 and 18 and my daughter is 15. My highest educational attainment is high school. My hobbies are cooking and cleaning. I work as TH in Bahrain, Hong Kong, and Singapore. I started work in Bahrain from May 2015 until May 2017. And the second is Hong Kong. I started work from October 2018 until February 2022. And the last is Singapore. I started from July 2022 until December 2022. I served couple in Bahrain ages 19, 22, and 24. And my madam and sir is ages is 50 and 60. And the second is in Hong Kong. I served two couple and one son and one daughter, ages 30 and 34, and the son ages 7 and the daughter is 9 months. And the last is Singapore. I served two couple and then two sons, ages 4 and then 8. My duties are cooking and cleaning. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money. I'm willing to take good care of a newborn baby, and I can sing a nursery song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I will promise to do my duties and obligation in your house and in your soon that I will take care babies. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.